Welcome, here I've got OPPO A52 and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it. And as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the OPPO device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. This is really cool here. We can do it by using the settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. And as you can see here, we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion. So when we pick this, we can easily start recording by using this big red button. So let me start to show you how it works. And stop. And now let's go here to the left corner at the bottom. This is the quick access to the gallery, and this is our video, so play. And as you can see, this is how it works, and this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.